Samantala, mahigit 1 milyong bagong trabaho naman ang inaasahang bubuhos mula sa naging kasunduan sa pamumuhunan ng Pilipinas at ng China. Karamihan pa raw rito ay dadalhin sa mga probinsya. Balitang hatid ni JP Soriano.
Asahan na raw ang maraming trabaho para sa mga Pilipino kapag bumuhos na ang $13.5 billion investment mula sa business agreements ng Pilipinas at China.
These agreements will translate to over 1 million newly created jobs, mostly in areas outside of Metro Manila.
Ayon sa China Investment Cooperation Fund, mga trabaho sa infrastruktura at turismo ang inaasahang pupuhunan ng China sa lalong madaling panahon.
We look forward to further investment opportunities and are part of this exciting economic growth in the near future.
Ayon sa incoming Philippine Ambassador to China, makikinabang ng husto ang Pilipinas, lalo na sa inaasahang pagdating ng napakaraming Chinese tourists.
But the question really is capacity. He's right. Whether we have enough hotels. So hotel business will benefit. There's a plan to build smaller hotels, particularly those with Chinese brands like Jinjiang, and I think you'll see more of that.
Bukod sa China, bagong investments at trabaho rin ang pangako ng bansang Sweden sa Pilipinas.
If Philippines continues to increase its investments in infrastructure and transport, it will create, both when you're doing the infrastructure investments, but also perhaps finding new partnerships between Swedish and Philippines companies.
Habang paparating pa lang ang mga bagong investments, 23 jobs fair naman ang inihanda ng DOLE ngayong buwan para sa mga taga-regions 3 to 12. Kasama na rin ang CAR at Caraga regions. Para sa detalye, pumunta sa official jobs portal ng DOLE. JP Soriano, GMA News.